These bricks, what's the name of these bricks? You know? Many clients would like to get a fully automatic soil brick machine with a lower price. With a lower price. And now what you are seeing now, this one is a fully automatic. No, it's called automatic. Yep. The only one processing for the menu is you have to let your lever to carry out the bricks after it's processed. You can see now here is the material hopper and here is the head mode for the compressor. Every processing is automatic. It's automatic. Whoa, look at, very good. Look at these bricks. What's the name of these bricks? You know? What's the name of these bricks? Do you know? If you have the answer, please leave your comments. Oh my God! See these big size bricks. Do you know what size? Do you know what's the size of these bricks? And this kind of bricks, it processed very well. So do you know the size, the dimension, the length, the width, and the height? Do you know the size? If you know the size, you can guess maximum to be the top. It's the normal. It's not. I can tell you, it's not the normal size. So can you guess? I give you the tips for you to get the answer. You can try your best to guess as much as you can, as much as you imagine. The size. What's the size of the dimension for the length? For the length. And the width also. This one is big. And do you know the name? Do you know the name of these bricks? Let me show you. Here is the bottom size, right? Here is the bottom size. The bottom location. And over here is the top location. It's the bottom location. And this one is for the interlocking, right? It's for the backward for the interlocking. This one is the hose. You know the function of the hose. Somebody, if you know the answer, if you know the function of the hose, leave your comments on my videos. Here's the top. Here's the top mill interlocking area. What's the name of this interlocking bricks? Leave your answer. Leave your answer. I would like to make a view introduction of this brick machine. Is the material hopper, and this feeder, the card feeding, the material card feeding is controlled by a cylinder. And there are two hydraulic cylinders to compress the bricks. One from the bottom here will lift up to compress the bricks. And over here there's another one, the hydraulic cylinder, to compress from the top. To compress the bricks. And over here you can see now here is the one button starting. It's one button starting. You touch here. You touch this, give the signal to start to switch on. The machine will be works automatically. And this one is powered by electric motor. So if your area is very good with the electricity, you can choose this one. And over here on the machine, now you can see there are one PLC, the PLC controller cabinets. This one is the heart for this machine. This one should be the heart of the machine, of this machine. So before we deliver the machine out from our factory, we will set all of the technician data inside the computer. I want to show you something. This one is the start, stop. This one is if you push the button, press down the button, that means the material card will feed forward, will be go forward. This one is feedback, that means the material card go back. This one is the up mode lifter, that means up mode lifter, lift up. This one, up mode lift up. And this one is up mode down, job, up mode job. That means the up mode job down, up mode job down like this, job down like this, right? And here is the pellet up, and the pellet down means the down hydraulic cylinder. This one is pellet up or pellet down. Is maybe the Chinese people, the translation is not good. And here is the main power for the electrical source. This one, hurry up, hurry stop. And all of this is, there's no need for you to do any adjustment. Okay. Here's for the button control. And over here is the PLC. This one is the PLC. Will be transfer the signal. This one is PLC. And over here is for the location for the connection in the wires and for connecting with the sensor wires, each wires. So we have already fixed everything here. So there's no need for you to do any adjustment for these wires. What you only need to do is after you receive your machine, you only need to get a cable, a 3-phase cable, to connect the cable to be the power source by this switch. That's all. And over here we show you the sensor. You see the sensor distribution diagram for you to understand how to connect one. In case there's some wires drop down, you can follow this diagram. This sensor distribution diagram to connect the sensors back. Okay.